I just saw this video of this kid being licked on the face by a cheetah during a safari. And many people are asking, is this kid of royal blood? Or is he that brave? Or is just an AI?
My goodness. Just stay still. You're doing great.
He liked you.
Let him go. Let him go.
I can easily confirm that this is not AI because of the uncle in the background. He's just opening his mouth in shock. You can see, I will play the video again so you can check him out. That kind of detail, AI doesn't have that kind of detailing.
He liked you.
Let him go. Let him go.
And another thing, this is actually common. I'm not really sure how wild this cheetah is. It could be one of those cheetahs that were in a sanctuary and then they were released and they are kind of used to people, so they are not that violent like this lion in this video. I would like to think that this kid has royal blood. I mean, which kid is that brave? As an adult, I would have screamed. This cheetah would have chewed my face, like literally. So this kid, man, like, yo, really incredible. And that's the thing. Africans, we've always had this strong relationship with nature and animals. That's why it was very common back in the day for us to fight colonization with animals, cheetahs, lions, and elephants. We forgot that kind of element of warfare, and I think we should go back controlling nature and animals. Even bees. Bees were very famous in attacking people, and to this day there are people who can control bees and send them to you. So yeah, those kind of superpowers, man, we shouldn't be oppressed.